Alright, y'all. Last video I told y'all I was gonna make the Dragon Majesty packs. I got 7 packs of them. The 10-pack cards. Apparently, every pack has a rare or something. I'm not sure how the card trick works on these either. Just gonna try 3. Corsola, Kangaskhan, Horsey, and Energy. So I think it was 4 cards. 4 cards tricks. Yeah, 4 card trick. Fairy Flint. Another Horsey, Torchic, Whooper. Lane's Last Stand. Hollow. How awesome would it be if we got the Charizard in this pack? Energy. Trying to make sure y'all could see them. Fairy Flint. Dratini. Lance Trainer card. Zekrom is the rare. Another Dratini. Willow Volcano Park. And Charizard as the rare, y'all. Check that out. I think it's just a regular non-hollow, but that's awesome pull, y'all. I love Charizard. Definitely gonna sleeve that one. Water Energy. Switch Ref. Seadra. Torchic. Charmander. Dratini. Trapinch. And Altaria. Hollow. Alright, we got 2 more packs, y'all. Fire energy. Come on with that Charizard. Seadra. Whooper. Horsey. Bench. Two energy cards. And another Charizard, y'all. What is the likelihood of this? I don't think it's hollow. It kind of looks like it, though. Anyways, awesome pull either way. Got two of them. And last pack. Heat more. Wish it, wash it. Horsey. And Zania trainer card. I think it's a full art. Anyways, super cool card. So we got two Charizards, the Dragon Majesty. I think they are hollows, they gotta be. And Zania. Looks like full art, I'm not sure. Anyways, I hope y'all liked that video. Them was super fun to open. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.